to join all the different sort of YouTubes, Facebook, Instagram, all that. Everybody got it? There we go. Do you want me to smile? No, just got the QR code. Okay. Is that right? Fabulous. You'll be on the front of the stage as well, so you can do that again later. Time now for our next band. They're from Bridgend College. Hello, Mum and Dad. That's great. Formed just a few months ago, the band are already building momentum on the grassroots music scene, currently writing original material. They've launched their social media platforms. What's the name of your social media platform? Coney Band. C-O-N-E-Y, Coney Band. Okay, Coney Band, that's the name. See, they've got their social media. That's how you connect. Go and follow them straight away. Rooted in a love for alternative indie, their sound blends raw emotion with a melodic edge, drawing inspiration from Wolf Alice and Alice Phoebe Lou. With an honest DIY approach and a clear creative direction, the band are beginning on an exciting journey, one driven by authenticity. From Bridgend College, Coney!
Take it. next song I wrote for my friend who passed away. It's called Lost Time, and this one's for her.
That's Coney Band from Bridgend. Just all through the day, we've had some amazing musicianship at such a young age, so fantastic, and more on the stage now. Okay, to the judges, Sam's going to go first. Your impressions of Coney Band.
I'm really, really impressed with that. Like, fair play, like, all the songs are great, really catchy choruses. You make, like, a big sound for just, like, a 4-piece, and every single member of the band brings something cool to the table, and yeah, you're, like, export ready now. You're ready to go out there and get some gigs and, you know, see the big wild world. So well done, you should be proud.
Thank you, Sam. Over to Brooke.
Yeah, guys, absolutely amazing. I really like the intro. Honestly, I think I could see you supporting some really big names opening up for in the next couple of years. Honestly, stick at it. Amazing. I could close my eyes and think Wolf Alice are in front of me as well. I really get that vibe, especially from the brief. Really good performance, and you make those 3 songs sound so different, but they are yours. They are cohesive, and really, really excited for what you've got ahead of you guys. Well done.
And finally to Simon Kilshaw.
Yeah, I think you said it yourself. This is an exciting journey for you. You've got a really mature sound. That's been quite impressive today. Driving songs, great interplay between all of you. I mean, the singer clearly connected to the songs, but actually all of you are, and it really comes out in your performance. You're great live. I can imagine you're even better in the studio. Sam said it, you're production ready. You should be really proud of your songs and the way that you presented them today. Brilliant. Best of luck to you.
Thanks, Simon. And one last question. Is it a guitar? What is it? It's a tiny little thing, isn't it? Is it hold on. Let me get a bit closer to it, because I'm trying to work out. Right. So it's a full-scale guitar, but it's just in the little body, is it?
Yeah, it's a weird body. I don't know really know why, like.
It's a bit like me. I'm a full-size man, but in a funny little body. Okay, good stuff. You all wanted to know as well, didn't you? Yeah, okay. Coney Band from Bridgend, thank you very much.